JZXN, a Chinese company founded in 2017 by Shuibo Zhang, will acquire the rights to sell geometry electric vehicles from the targets in Huizhou City, Guangdong Province. This move will help JZXN compete with other major electric vehicle companies in the southern China market. JZXN is excited to announce that they have successfully completed their offering of a new energy trading platform to new vehicle owners. This platform will provide consumers with a premium green travel experience, while providing JZXN with the necessary data to provide efficient trading services for energy vehicles. This will help JZXN to become a first-class smart trading platform for new energy vehicles and provide consumers with a premium green travel experience. This acquisition is a significant strategic milestone for JZXN, and will drive their business growth in the new fiscal year. It marks a meaningful step for their company in penetrating the southern China market. Risks and uncertainties include the potential for delays in the offering, the possible impact of the current economic environment on the market for NEVs, and the potential for competition from other electric vehicle companies.